Hey, so here's a tour of the inside of the 911. Pretty clean car, pretty standard car. Not really too many options, but got the most important one, the one I use. Yeah, so we'll get talking about these numeric pedals. This is the box they came in. This is how it looked. Haven't really unpacked them yet, but we'll take a look at them now. The only thing I would suggest is they put their hardware in a little plastic bag, because these little screws are loose in the bag. There's 6 of them. And we've got our dead pedal. And we've got the brake and clutch. Very nicely done. Seems like very nice quality stuff. And we've got the gas pedal. Nicely hinged over here. Should feel real nice once we get these set up. Nice quality stuff. You know, they're not cheap, but you definitely get what you pay for. And I've got the shifter. Very happy with that. We're going to do a review on that down the road. But yeah, so we'll get started on installing these things. So in case you didn't notice, I'm old, so I like to have the car at a nice height, nice comfortable height. So we'll bring the floor up a little bit, and we can get to those pedals a little more easily that way. So this makes for a much more comfortable work height. So we'll get in here now. We'll pull these guys out and we'll put the new ones in. Okay, so let's give it a try here. I guess we'll take them all off and then we'll put them all on. So let's see here. This is the dead pedal here. You got to grab it from the top and push up, and you'll see that there are little saw marks here that grab into the rug, and they're a little tough they jam in there, so you have to pull on the side or sometimes on the top and just lift it up and it'll come out. By the way, I did have all the metal trim pedals on this car. It was one of the options, but this pedal for some reason was loose and I didn't like it, so I just put the plain black plastic one in. Okay, so now we've got the clutch, and these guys peel off. They should peel right off. There's the clutch. Now this guy is plastic. Let's see here what we have. And this guy's metal. Okay. So we've got a Phillips. I've got a little drift here to set that screw back through the rug again. They don't provide you with 10 Torx, or at least one didn't come with me. So with my set, so I had this in the toolbox, and this is a T20, I believe. Yes, this is a T20. So this is a number 2 Phillips. We'll use this for the screw back here. Now, this, I believe, pulls out and comes up. Okay, so we're going to try to do this in place rather than disconnect the sender. So apparently there is a a little guy back here that you're supposed to press in and then slide the pedal out. So you see this? I don't know if you can see that, but there's that little tab that you press and slide the pedal out. So we'll give it a try here. Press this in and slide. I know I've got it disconnected from the sender here too. And they say to just pull it off. Okay. I don't like that. That's a lot of force there, but that's what the instructions tell you to do. So now let's try this tab again. That's it. Maybe you just need a little bit of force here. I'll take it out. That's it. I didn't need that much. It's just the angle, I guess. Okay. Now I guess we'll start with that one. So this is the number 10. This comes out. I'll slip this in. Now this is where you might want to take the pedal out, but we'll see if we can get it done down here. It's got to slip in this way. So we got to slip in the switch. That slides in, okay. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if you can see the sender switch down there for the throttle. That's got to fit into that slot. And then the pedal comes across until it's flush with this edge. Okay, now we put our number 10 in. This guy's a little tricky in here, but it should go right in. You don't want to torque it too much. Take it down probably until it's just a little snug. Give it a little extra torque. We don't want to crack that plastic. That's that. Now, it feels pretty nice. Now this guy slides in. It's got to get pressed back because this has to fit in, and then it's got a tooth that engages when you slide it down. So it's got to come in from up a little higher. Take our little drift, line it up, feels like we're there, and put in our Phillips. Okay. Feels pretty nice. Feels pretty nice. Okay, now we'll take these are the same. So I guess we'll slip it over the top. See how this feels here. Okay, so there's a footprint for the pedal. So the pedal fits in there. It feels pretty good. Take our 20. And then we'll start it in and then position it once we get it rolling. That's in. Did that guy line up? I think so. A little tough to work with a ratchet here right now, so I want to snug them down, and then we'll put the ratchet on it. And this one might be a little tricky. Sorry if the arm's in the way, but I've got no choice. Turning the light on with my head. Oh, that feels pretty good. Tough spot there. I think I need a little extension here. Okay, so there's the finished product. Let's see if we can get a perspective of the relationship of the brake and the gas pedal there. They definitely are closer. I haven't had a chance to try it out yet. We still have snow and salt out there, and I'm not a big fan of that, so it might have to wait a bit for a test. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you next time.